If your child's classroom looks like a bustling workshop, you might be looking at a Montessori school. Developed by Dr. Maria Montessori over a century ago, the Montessori curriculum focuses on fostering independence, hands-on learning, and self-directed exploration. Imagine a place where kids choose their activities, guided by their curiosity, and learn through play. In Montessori classrooms, multi-age groups work together, just like a family, promoting mentorship and empathy. Children develop life skills like dressing themselves, preparing snacks, and cleaning their space, boosting their confidence and self-reliance. Teachers act as guides, creating a nurturing environment that respects each child's unique pace of learning. The result? Kids grow up with a love for learning, emotional intelligence, and a solid foundation for future success. Montessori isn't just education, it's a journey to becoming confident, compassionate, and curious individuals. Ready to give your child the best start? Choose Montessori. Choose